Can't find your Roblox item on Android? Don't worry. This video shows you exactly where it is. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android phone and tap the three-line bar icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Profile, then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap the link that says View Full Profile. Once your full profile loads, look for the three dots icon to the right of Edit Profile or Edit Avatar. Tap the three dots and select Favorites from the small menu that pops up. Now, browsing your items, once you are on My Favorites page, you'll see a drop-down menu. Tap the drop-down arrow to switch between categories. You can select accessories, hair, clothing, animations, or even models. That's how you find your favorite items in Roblox on Android. Like if this helped, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and comment what you want to see next.